There's no material way to ever explain material ignorance. I let it go. Nothing is mine. All is free. As the rain falls upon the street, mind free, sitting under an oak tree canopy, with my life in a backpack, my back against the fence, waiting for what happens next, up or down or inside out. The power of the rain is so gentle, hydration so fulfilled, yet dangerous enough to take out civilizations. The source of life, creating the sounds of silence with every drop, creating natural pools of water flowing in the river to the ocean.